Okay, and then this is it. Together, it, 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 sit. Who said sit? Very good. It, sit. Okay, next. What is the phonic sound of H? Her, it. What is her, it? Hit. Very good, Hazel. Her, it, hit. Okay. Now, another thing we'll change. Okay. What is IS? What is IS? Is together. Her is. Her is. What is her is? His. Very good, Hazel. Her is his. Very good. Okay. What is AS? As together. Her as. Her as. Has. Has. Don't sleep, Keshav. Her as. Has. Okay. Now let me see. What is 80? 80? At. Her at. Good morning, Matarneshwar. Her at. Hat. Very good, Mahini. Her at. Hat. Very good. Okay. Okay, what is UP? Up. Up. What is UP? Up. Okay, now I'm adding another phonic sound. What is it? K. Okay, K. Up. K up. K up. What is K up? K up. Up எப்படிமா வரும்? K sound விட்டுட்டீங்களே. What is K up? Very good, Hazel. K up. Cup. K up. Cup. Okay? Okay, next. What is AM?
Papa, gamani papa.
What is AM? AM? Am. Okay, AM is am. Okay, now I'm adding J. What is the phonic sound of J? What is the phonic sound of J? Yeah, jelly and jam only. What is the phonic sound of J? J, J, J. Okay, J, am. J, am. Jam. Very good. J, am. Mahini, what is J, am? Jam. Very good. J, am. Jam. Okay. Okay, next. What is it? IT. It. Okay, now what is it? KIT. Cat. Why, Keshav? Try. KIT. K. It. What is the phonic sound of K? K. IT. It. Visha, why do you always face the same problem? IT na it. How will it become at? At ni எப்படிமா வரும்? A means AT the at. Okay, va? IT வந்து it. You should remember before telling the word. You have to remember. I na E sound. It. A na A sound. At. Okay, well, that you have to remember. Always you should not go for at. Okay? It, it, ka, it. What is ka, it? Ka, it, kit. Kit. Very good. Ka, it, kit. Okay. Okay, now what is the sound of A? A. Okay, now you are adding R. What is the sound of R? Okay, R together. R. R. Okay, now I am adding another letter. What is it? Car. Very good. Who said this? Very good. Ka, A, R. Car. Ka, A, R. Car. Mahini, what is this word? Huh? Ka, R. Car. Okay? Okay, now this one I'm changing. What is it? Yes? Good morning, Marudwin. Ka, it is at. Ka, at. Cat. Very good. Ka, at. Cat. Good. Okay, now I'm going to change another one. Can anyone say what is this? Single phonics. Ka, a, pa. Very good, Hazel. Ka, ap, cap. Okay, like this, whenever you are free, you have to try blending the sounds, children. Only you should not stay with at words and words and all. All the words you should try with phonics. Okay, then only you will learn a lot. Okay, ka, ap, cap. Very good. Now another one I'm going to change. What is it? Come on, try Jason. Why don't you answer? Yes? Ka, a, n. What is it? Very good, Taruneshwar. Ka, a, n. Can. Can. Okay? Next. Huh? Ba. Ba. Okay? What is in? In. Okay, together. Ba in. Ba in. Banna. Ba in is bun. What is ba in? Jason, come on. What is ba in?
சொல்லு.
Mitra, try. Ba in. Very good, Kanna. Ba in. As it is, you are going to say. இதுல என்ன நீங்க ஒண்ணுமே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணவே வேண்டாம். இதுல இருக்க சவுண்ட் அப்படியே சொல்ல போறீங்க. That's all. Ba in. இதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு சேஞ்ச் இருக்கா? Bin. That's all. Why do you get confused? Ba in bun. Why? Unsound இல்லையே. In sound தான் இருக்கு. Ba in bin. சேர்த்து சொல்லணும். That's all. Okay? Ba in ban. Who's that ba in ban? Yes? It's not ban. It is bin. In. I-N in. Okay? Now next. Now. Bat. Bat. Okay. Bat. Bat. Very good. Now try. Try. What is US? US. What is US? Say the phonics. What is the phonic sound of U and what is the phonic sound of S? Very good, Mitra. Well done, Mitra. US is us. Us. Uh, us. Okay, when you add b sound to it, you get b as bus. B as bus. Okay. And now, what is UG? What is UG? Ug. 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 When you add b sound to it, b, ug, bug. Parents, in this way, you have to teach them CVC words like this. Use any vowel in between. Sorry. Use any vowel in between, and you have to give them recap of all those CVC words, whatever is possible. IN, IT, AN, AS, UP, US, UN. Like that, you can use any vowel in between, and you can give recap of any three-letter words. Okay, and next week and all we'll be learning this only. So priorly I am informing you whenever you get time, you can use this. I'll be sending you a PDF copy for this also. Okay. UG, 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 ug. First you have to sort out this last two words, children. UG, ug, and when you add b sound to it, it becomes b, ug, bug. Okay. Now another. What is UN? What is UN? Un. Un. This is purely phonics, children. Yes, you can read it with phonics itself. Un. Okay, so b, un, bun. Understood? B, un, bun. Yeah? Yeah. Next word. What is the sound of E? What is the sound of E? A. And what is the sound of D?
Bed.
D. Sound of D is D. So E, D, ed. Ed, ed. Okay, so B, ed, bed. B, ed, bed. Fine. So like this, you have to blend the sounds. First, you have to separate these two sounds, children. Whatever three-letter words you have, first you have to find out what sound is this, and then you have to add another sound that is in the beginning. Together, when you blend it, you get a word. Okay. So we'll start a session. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Mitra Kidzi answer.
Kitty and son. You are Brittany. You are unique.
Infinite.
You are infinite. You decide me. I put it inside. You
You are the wings.
You are the bee. Finish my flight. You design me. I put it inside.
Today I pledge.
Today, let's draw by side. You are
I shall achieve you.
you. My potential inside.
Yes, very good morning.
Morning,
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Very good morning. Now all of you go bring your towel. We are going to do the butterfly. Put a knot in the middle. Fly like a butterfly. Come on, bring your towel. Yes, come on. Bring your towel, put a knot in the middle, hold both the ends and fly like a butterfly. Yes, very good, Taruneshwar. Keep it in your back. Yes, good, Sukriv Gautam. Nicely flap your wings. Stretch your hands nicely. இப்படியா பறக்கும் bird. நல்லா கை விரிச்சு பறக்கணும். Yes, fine. Very good, Sarah. Hazel. Good. Yes, very good, children. Okay, now shall we start our warm-up activity? Today we are going to do crazy frog only. Okay? Yes, yes. Very nice, Makeshav. Good. Now keep your towels down.
Hyaluronic acid is safe for your skin. Discover the other side of L'Oreal Paris. Hyaluronic acid is a safe ingredient used by dermatologists because it's naturally present in the skin. Because when we say you'll look it, we mean it. What's going on? Break
It's very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
நீ மட்டும் இதை டச் பண்ணுவா
Dashwan Velan. Dashwan. Absent. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason. Jason.
Fire, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. Keshav.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Radhyani.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Radhyani. Rudvin.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Rudvin. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Sri Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Sukriv Gautam.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukriv. Visha.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Mahirni. Mahirni.
Ma'am,
Come on.
yes, ma'am.
Where is Mahirni? Absent today, Mahirni. Okay, I'll put present for Dia. Shall I put present for Dia? Mahirni இல்லையா இங்க?
I'm present, ma'am. சொல்லிடு. Present, ma'am. சொல்லு. சொல்லு. ஆஃப் பண்ணிருக்கா? I'm present, ma'am. சொல்லு. பாப்போம்.
Yes, okay, I'm marking you, Mahirni, okay? Next, Mitra. Mitra.
Here Vanilla, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Taruneshwar.
Here, ma'am.
Very good, Taruneshwar. Varsha. Varsha. Okay, absent. Vihan. Vihan is also absent. Okay, children, next is the rhyme session. Who knows the rhyme? Rocket, rocket. Who knows the rhyme? Rocket, rocket. Who knows?
Rocket. Don't have inside.
Hmm.
But more to read.
With the white moon it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yeah, one more time. Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon it will race to all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Okay, today we are going to learn another new rhyme, children, that is regarding a shape. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what shape is this? This is pentagon. What shape is this? Pentagon. Okay, so far we have learned many shapes. So today we are going to learn a new shape, that is pentagon. This is pentagon. It has 5 sides, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sides it has. 5 sides it has. So it is called as pentagon, and there is a rhyme also in your rhymes book. If you want, you can take your rhymes book and check it out. Okay, take your rhymes book and see. Can anyone share the page number? Pentagon rhyme. It will be the name of the 16. 16, page number 16.
Page number 16.
A pentagon has 5 sides, has 5 sides, has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy then. Okay. Once more time. A pentagon has 5 sides, has 5 sides, has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pentagon has 5 sides, and that's it. The rhyme. Okay, did you all see the shape in your rhymes book? Come on, show me the shape. Pentagon shape. Yeah. See how many pentagons are there? Come on, count. How many pentagons are there in your rhymes book? Count. 1, 2. Yeah, 5 pentagons you have, and the sides also, sides of a pentagon is also 5. Okay, a pentagon has 5 sides, has 5 sides, has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, very good. Next, we'll move on to our phonics again, children. So far, we have learned single phonics and we learned blending sounds too. Okay. Today, we are going to learn another phonic sound that is together, 2 letters together. This is cha. Cha. Cha, and the action for cha is cha. How the train will go chuk 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 like that, no? So the action is also like, so all of you keep your hands like this. Cha. Come on, say cha. How will you make the train sound, children? Coo, chuk, 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 chuk. You will make, no? So like that, the sound is cha, C-H, cha. And the action is like this. Come on, say the sound cha. I must hear it from everyone. Cha. Come on. Cha. Cha. C-H, cha. Okay. C-H, cha. Cha. And another sound, SH. SH is sh. How will you say sh? Come on, keep quiet. We'll say no. SH. Sh. Finger on your lips. Sh. Okay. CH. Cha. SH. Sh. CH. Cha 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 cha. SH. Now come on, what is the sound of CH? CH oda sound ennadu? What is the sound of CH, Ananya? Cha 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 cha. Okay. And what is the sound of SH? What is the sound of SH? Jason, what is the sound of SH? SH. Okay. CH. Cha 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 cha. Sukriv Gautam, what is the sound of CH? CH oda sound ennadu? Cha 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 cha. Like this. Cha 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 cha. Okay. And then SH.
Yes, sir.
SH. கம்முனேரு ஷு கம்முனேருன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே இல்லையா உங்க மம்மி ஸோ SH is okay. So shall we see the related pictures for CH and SH? Yes, are you able to see my screen? Yes or no? Yes, sir. No. Now? Now can you see? Yeah. CH. This is for cha sound. Cha cha chair. Cha cha chair. Next one. Cha cha charger. Cha cha charger. Cha sound. It begins with a cha sound. Cha cha charger. And next cha cha chick. Chick. Okay. And next is ch ch child. Child. Ch ch child. Next is ch ch chin. Where is your chin? Ch ch chin. Next is chips. Chips. And next is chocolate. You can see the starting letter here, CH. Yes, chocolate. So one more time, chocolate. Chips.
मम्मी नहीं कर
Chin. Child. Chick. Charger. Chair. So these are the pictures related to okay, chair, chin, chick, charger, and then what did you see? Chip, child. Okay, so these are the sound chocolate. Okay, and next we are going to see the sh sound. Shark. Sh sound. Shark. Sheep. Sheep. Shell. Shell. Here you can hear the sh sound, children. Shell. Sheep. Shark. What is this? Who's this? Nobody knows, huh? Don't tell me that you don't know. Shin-chan. This is Shin-chan. So, sh sound. Can you hear the sh sound? Okay. Next is ship. Ship. Okay. Shoe. Shoe. Shop. Shop. All these starts with sh sound. Okay. So these are the things that start with sh sound. Again, shop, shoe, ship, Shin-chan, shell, sheep, shark. That's it. Okay. So these are the pictures that start with sh sound. Now all of you take your worksheet. Worksheet number D91. PH. D91 PH. Here you are going to circle the ch sound pictures. See whether you can hear the ch sound and then you circle, children. So what are the pictures we'll circle? First, all of you look at the screen. Let your parents take your worksheet. Look at the screen. First, you tell me whether you can hear the ch sound and then you can do the worksheet. Nobody should touch your worksheet now. All of you should look at the screen. Come on, look at the screen here. First picture, chair. Can you hear the ch sound? Yes or no? Chair. Chair. Can you hear the ch sound?
Yeah.
Yes. So circle. And next is shark. Can you hear the ch sound in shark?
No.
No. So don't circle. Next is cherry. Cherry. Can you hear the ch sound?
No.
Nova. Cherry. Cherry. You can hear the ch sound. So circle. Next is chin. Chin. Can you hear the ch sound?
No.
Why, Keshav? Listen carefully. Chin. Yes. So circle chin. And next is chick. Chick. Yes, you can hear the ch sound. Circle. And then ship. Can you hear the ch sound? Ship. No, you can hear only the ish sound. So that is not related to ch sound. Here, next you have cheese. Cheese. Yes, very good, Hazel. Cheese. And next, shoe. Shoe, can you hear? No, only sh sound you can hear. Watch. Watch also you cannot hear. You can hear, but it is not beginning with the ch sound. So you leave it. Okay, afterwards we'll learn the ending sound, ch. So far only 5 pictures you are going to circle. Take your worksheet and start circling, children. Chair, ch chin, chick, cherry, cheese. Ch, ch. Finished? It's very good.
Ma'am, I think Ananya is not having this phonic worksheet.
Yeah, I'll send you Ananya's mom.
Yeah,
This
thank you,
worksheet
ma'am.
also you don't have, huh?
No,
Can you
ma'am.
please check one more time?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Because old book only I am also having. That book I have this worksheet. Can you please check it? D91 in 91, can you please check?
So after culmination 3 reading sheets, I have 91 empty alone, ma'am.
You don't have any other sheets, sir. Afterwards, when you are free, can you check the whole book whether you have the sheet in between, whether it is placed?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Sure, I'll
Yeah.
check it.
TCH, SH, these sheets are present in my worksheet. So I think it will be there in your workbook also. So please check it when you are free, okay?
Yeah,
Anyhow, I'll send you the PDF copy.
yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
fine. Yeah. Okay, next worksheet is empty worksheet, children. Yesterday we wrote 63 and 64. Today we'll write 65 and 66. Come on. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65, 65. Except Jason and Keshav, others you have not sent your homework. Please send your homework by today. Stick your pictures and send it, okay? Yesterday I have told you, right? 3 types of transport. Have you all sticked it, children? Yes or no? Finished up.
What homework, ma'am?
3 types of transport worksheet. D92 CT, I think. I have sent in group also.
D92 LT, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'll check it.
Yeah. Six five 65, and the next number is 6666. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. 66, 66. Yeah, finish.
சொல்லு சொல்லு.
Very good, Mahini. Very good, Hazel.
Wait,
Yes, those are finished. I want you to take this worksheet. Worksheet number is D95 CT. Yeah, those are finished. Take worksheet number D95 CT. Here you have a fighter plane and a glider here. So fighter plane, you're going to color it with green. Sorry, glider with green and fighter plane with yellow. So first is the fighter plane, color it with yellow. Fighter plane with yellow color and then glider with green. Those are finished, can take this worksheet. This is glider, children. First one is the fighter plane and next one is the glider. Glider, color it with green and fighter plane, color it with yellow. Finish so fast. Glider, glider green color, fighter plane yellow color. Which is the fighter plane there, Mahini? Which is fighter plane? No. Fighter plane na நிறைய அதுல இருக்கு பாருங்க ஷார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம். Glider, glider means only one or two can go in that. That is not used for fighting. But fighter plane is used for fighting. Yellow color is a fighter plane. And the green color is a glider. Now tell me which is glider. Glider. Fighter plane? Very good. Well done. Finish, children. Hazel, which is fighter plane? Which is fighter plane? Touch and show me. Which is fighter plane? Which is glider?
Glider.
Glider.
Glider plane. Touch and show.
Which is glider?
Glider plane. What is
Which is glider? Come on, touch glider in your worksheet.
This is glider. No, this. Glider.
Which one? Confused, glider and fighter plane. Fighter plane la நிறைய பாம்லாம் இருக்கு பாருங்க, பெரிய பெரிய பாம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு அதுல. Okay, that is used for fighting. Glider plane is just for hobby.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Makesha. Which is glider?
Glider is yellow.
Glider is yellow. Green. Fighter plane?
Yellow.
Very good, Keshav.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Which is fighter plane, Taruneshwar?
Fighter plane. This one. என்ன கலர் சொல்லுங்க?
Yellow.
Yellow. Which is glider?
Glider.
Green.
Green. Very good. Okay, Mahini, come on, read this sentence. Mahini.
A boy.
Huh? So fast you read this sentence. Very clear with the sentence what I am presenting. Okay, next.
I am a girl.
Mahini's mom. Is your mom near you?
No, I'm her auntie.
Oh, you're her auntie. Okay, I'll talk with her mom. Okay, now this one.
Dog.
What dog? Read the whole sentence. Look at the screen. I.
I am a dog.
Okay, next one.
I am a cat.
Next one.
I am a vampire.
Huh? Vampire.
Vampire.
Vampire is given there, huh? That's what I thought it. You are assuming the sentences, right? Okay, here. 1 minute. This one. Let me see.
I am a ant.
I am ant. See here. Is it given I am an ant?
No.
IT.
I
Look at the screen. IT it. Next.
See here.
IS.
Yes.
Finish the ma'am.
Mahirni. IT. What is IT?
Tell what is IT?
IT. IT. Atta. No playing, Mahirni. Come on. Read first and then you can play. IT. What is IT? It. It. IS.
Say loudly. Say loudly.
IS.
What is IS?
What is IS, ma?
உனக்கு தெரியாது சொல்லு IS நான்
அச்சச்சோ தெரியாதா? IS is AN. What is AN?
Say what is AN? Mahi?
Mahini, I'm going to talk with your mamma, see if you are not saying. AN na என்னது?
Say what is AN?
An. What is an? An. It is an ant. Okay, try the next sentence. IT?
Truck.
Huh?
Truck.
IT?
Truck.
No. What is IT? It. IS?
Yes. Is.
Hmm. Is. It is a.
It
What
is
is?
a cup.
Very good. Next one.
It
Hmm.
is
Hmm. Hmm. It is a car. Good.
it is a cup.
Good. Next.
It is a
Good.
it is a cat.
Good. Rat. Very good. Like this, you have to practice, Mahini. Okay? Okay, thank you, Mahini. Next is Taruneshwar.
It
Hmm.
is
Hmm. Hmm. Good. Hmm. 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 Good. Hmm.
it
Hmm.
is
Hmm. Hmm. At. Hat. Very good.
it
Hmm.
is yeah cup.
Good.
It is yeah cup.
Cup. Good.
It is
An ant. Very good, Taruneshwar. Thank you, ma. Good. Thank you. Radhyani.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kana. Radhyani.
IT. Yes.
Hmm.
And
Ant. It is an ant.
I
Each and every time you need not read it ma பார்த்த உடனே சொல்லலாம். It is it. Each and every time you need not spell it. Okay? It. It. Come on, Radhyani.
நீங்க பாரு.
Radhyani.
சொல்லுமா.
It. Is.
yes this
A.
cup.
Cup. Good. Next.
I yes this cup.
Good. Next.
I yes this
Mm.
cat.
Hat. Her hat. Next.
Man.
What is it, ma? Read the sentence. It is a mat. Like this, you have to read. I have already shared the PPT also. Please, parents, kindly make them read all these sentences. It is easy only. Okay. And next, regarding the imaginary worksheet, those who have not got the kit, you can call and confirm whether it is in the school. And please go and get the imaginary kit. If you have not got that kit along with your main kit, Imaginary kit, Mighty Dinosaurs kit, if you have not get that, please call and confirm to our school and then you go and get it. We'll be doing it on Monday. Okay, so on Monday, please be ready with this picture which I am showing. Color it and be ready with that. Okay, 1 minute. So this will be the picture. Please be ready with this sheet. If anyone is having, you can note it down. If you don't have also, I'll be sending this picture in group. Kindly note down the color and color it. Be ready on Monday. We'll be doing the activity on Monday. Those who don't have the kit, please go and get it from school. It is there in school. Okay? And then you have to download the Kidsy Imagine app. That also I'll be showing you. Here you can see a purple color Kidsy app here. Purple color Kidsy app. If you open it, it will be like this. So you download it from Play Store. When you open it, you will get like this. Nursery, playgroup, junior KG, senior KG, it will be like this. So in junior KG only, we'll be seeing all these coloring sheets. Yes, if you have any doubts, you can call us or you can message in group also. So Monday, please be ready with this sheet, parents.
Ma'am, next is in the dinosaur kit, ma'am. Mighty dinosaur kit.
Yeah, Mighty Dinosaurs kit. Many of them has not got the kit. So now it is there in school. You can call and confirm whether your kit is ready in school and then you go and fetch it. Okay? So that's it. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, Ananya. Bye, Mahirni. Bye, Taruneshwar. Bye, Sara. Bye, Mitra. Bye, Sukriv Gautam. சாப்பிடணும், Sukriv. Why are you not eating?
மேம் சுக்ரீவ் இஸ் நாட் வெல் மேம். நான் கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண வேணாம் கேட்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க மேம். உட்கார்ந்தே ஆகணும்னு உட்கார்றாங்க.
பரவாயில்ல, உட்கார்ந்து சாப்பிடுங்க சுக்ரீவ். Then only you will be fine, right? Again, cold for him?
No ma'am, stomach ache fever ma'am.
Stomach ache. Sukriv Gautam, என்னாச்சுமா? What happened to you?
ஒரு நெய்பர் வீட்டுக்கு போயிருந்தோம் மேம். அங்க போய் நல்லா ஸ்நாக்ஸ் கவுண்ட் இல்லாம சாப்பிட்டுட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு.
அச்சச்சோ பாவம். ஓகே, டோன்ட் கிரை, டோன்ட் கிரை. பாய் சுக்ரி. சுக்ரி பாய் சொல்லுங்க மேம்க்கு.
பாய் சொல்லுங்க. சரி, ஓகே.
வயிறு வலிக்குது பாவம். ஓகே, ஃபைன்.
ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்ஸ். ஹோம்வொர்க் ஐ ட்ரை in 2 days.
ஐயோ பரவாயில்ல, உடம்பு நல்லா அப்புறம் பண்ண வைங்க. நோ இஷ்யூஸ்.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.